How to use Google Authenticator app. So first thing first, I want you to open your Google Authenticator app. Here, I won't be able to record due to the privacy policy of the app, but I'm going to tell you on how you can use the Google Authenticator app. So first thing first, you need to, of course, download the Google Authenticator app onto your device. And in order to use the app, you will be able to receive codes that you may use with other apps. So here, what you can do is pick an online account you want to use to set up the Google Authenticator with, which the website you visit most often likely support multi-factor authentication through the app. You may just select an account and the rest of the setup can go one of two ways. You can either scan a QR code or manually enter the code of the particular app. Let's say I'm going to use an Amazon account. So what I'm going to do is log in into my Amazon account and go to the account page and choose login and security. After that, just turn on the two-factor authentication and get started with the process. Here I will be receiving a code or a QR code that I will be using in the Google Authenticator app. Just copy and paste the code in. A Google Authenticator will give me a code that I will be using in order to log in into my account of any particular app. So therefore, in this method, you can use your Google Authenticator app for more security onto your particular app. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.